Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my home photo shoots of my daughter. As you can see on the floor, those are little milk cartons I got from Home Goods, and I filled it up with hemp milk and just added a little bit of water. It was actually expired, that's why I decided to use it. I got a simple white blanket, put it on the floor, made a circular pattern in the front because that's where she'll be sitting, and I want to give that effect as if she's in something, not just sitting on top. This whiteboard that I actually got from the Dollar Tree. Regular black marker wrote "Got Milk?" and you are going to see in a minute why. These cookies, I'm going to actually just place a couple on each plate. I got regular black plates. This is pretty much the final project, and of course we're just missing one person. So how cute is she, little chunkster? Go baby Sage. So what you see on her head is actually a bandana I got. You're gonna see the same sides in my hand. I just put it towards the back and made a little bow in the front and stuck that extra part in the front of her head, as you can see. If you guys want a detailed video on all of that, let me know in the comments below. So I tried to tie it around her diaper because I wanted her to look like she had a little outfit on. Obviously, from what you can see, she was a little too big. So what I'm doing now is I'm just tucking in the bandana around her diaper and kisses. And you do that all the way around and the back. So, as you can see, she is all dressed for a photo shoot for all of $2. No! No! Thank you guys so much for watching. Now I put up a couple of photos of the ending result. If you would like to see the edited version, please follow my Instagram or Sage's, as I will tag us in the link below.